For today's hot new product, Momento have sent us their M6 dashcam.
I love you.
And this is a really unique dashcam because it's a dual dashcam, so there's one camera that faces the front of your vehicle and one that faces the rear. Right off the hop, they list a couple things on the box that are really interesting. First, its contents. In addition to the front camera with a built-in Wi-Fi antenna and the rear camera, it includes a installation harness, an external GPS and speed antenna, and it comes with a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. So thank you, Momento, for that one. It also lists a bunch of the features that you may not know right off the top, like an impact sensor, so if somebody bumps into your car while you've got this parked, it'll start recording. It's got parking mode, an action cam, and all sorts of upgraded sensors and auto-save capabilities. So let's dive into this thing. They also do note it shoots in 1080p, so that's nice. You won't have any trouble reading the license plate of the car that backs into you in a Walmart parking lot.
You love Maine.
I love you.
So if I'm not mistaken, this would be your rear camera. Yes, it is. So this is what's going to be pointing out the back of your vehicle, and this will be up on your windshield, so you've got almost a 360-degree view at all times. There is a micro SD and two micro SDs. One's just really small. And then of course a variety of mounting options if you want a suction cup to the dashboard, or to the windshield rather, or there's an adhesive for your dashboard. And one of the really unique features about this is the front camera does create its own Wi-Fi hotspot. So you are able to connect your smartphone, and you can even pull off something as it happens and share directly to social media. So if you see something crazy in front of you on the road and you want to share, that's an option, and it's super streamlined. So it is worth noting that this unit does have to be hardwired. The main power wire comes with a ground and your two power wires to wire up everything you need. And then to connect the front and the rear camera, they've got this aux-style cable that you can run either through your ceiling panel or under the floor, or if you don't care, you can just have it exposed in the cabin. Other than that, it shoots excellent nighttime video, and you need to download the app from Momento to access the camera's hardware. If you're in the market for a new dash cam, it's definitely worth looking at Momento's M6. This is a really impressive bit of hardware in front of us, so be sure to check out their dash cams at momentocam.com.